In this video, let's look into configuring Mozilla Firefox security. So for that, let's start off with the Mozilla Firefox and go to the options. There you would see various different options, and for the starting, let's go with the privacy settings. Now, if at all we could go and clear all our recent histories, but let's go ahead and clear each and every history that has ever been created on the system. So once we clear this, we can also go and remove the individual cookies, but as we have already removed all the traces, I think we won't be able to get anything from there. So now we would go into the security of it. So here we can select various different options. So we can uncheck the remember login for the sites, which is one of the secure things to do, and we can also go on to the advanced settings and try to figure out various different other settings that we could implement based on the security aspects. But if at all you want to get into the security part of it, we could use a proxy, for which we could manually set the proxy or use a system proxy here, and this would be about setting the proxies. Now if at all we would want to use the private browsing here, we can easily do it via opening the private browsing option, so wherein we won't be able to be tracked by any sort of cookies as such. So this was about configuring Mozilla Firefox security.